Riria ritwa riake riathomirwo ni kocha Sebastian Mine hamwe na mathaki angi 29 aria metitwo kambeini ya mehaririria ya timu ya Harambee Stars mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka uyu, maoni matiganite megie kana niagiriire gukorwo timu-ini ino makiambiriria kurekererio ni mashabiki matiganite. Semania na njorua itu muthenya wa umuthi muthaki Masoud Juma choka mugwimi njorua wa bao timu-ini ya bururi ya Harambee Stars na uria waciarirwo kaunti-ini ya Isiolo miaka 23 mithiru. Gukinya gwake timu-ini ya bururi gutikoretwo gwi kuhuthu na agereire irabu nyingi guku bururi-ini oro hamwe na nja wa bururi akigeria gukuria taranda yake ya mubira rugendo-ini ruria aratwira rukinyanire ni wendi wa nyene.
For me, I won't say it's the best time for me to get something big, but what I will say is that God's time is the best.
Mwaka-ini wa 2017 Masoud Juma niwe waiyukirio hotani wa ngoga ya mugwimi njorua wa bao kimera kiu thutha wa gufunga bao 18 agithakira kirabu gia Kariobangi Sharks na muthia-ini wa kimera kiu akiumagara na guthie bururi-ini wa South Africa thutha wa kugurwo ni kirabu gia Cape Town bururi-ini ucio kuria ningi ahamire na agithie bururi-ini wa UAE na muthia-ini akirikiriria gabira ligi-ini ya Libya kuria maundu mataikarire uriendaga.
Very, very happy to go to Libya, but it was a very good league there, and unfortunately those are difficult there because of the politics and all that, and every player wants to be in a safe place.
Masoud athakire irabu ithatu nene ligi-ini ya gabira ya guku bururi-ini ya KPL iria ni Kariobangi Sharks, Bandari na Sony Sugar, na kuria aratutariria mamwe ma mathina maria anacemania namo agithaka gabira ligi-ini ino ya KPL.
I play for 3 clubs in Kenya, I think so. Yeah, and I think I can say the best season was with Kariobangi Sharks, and it's very difficult to play for Kariobangi Sharks when everybody think that when you get the call up, it's just the favor from the Football Kenya Federation chairman Nick Mwenda, which is not true.
Na toria na tutariria mwaka-ini wa 2017 ni ekorire akirorereria njukirira itiganite kuma kuri mashabiki make guku bururi-ini aria monaga tari kwihingica arehingica gukorwo agithama kuma kirabu gia guku bururi-ini ona gutuika maoni maya ma muingi ndari areka maingire ngoro-ini yake.
Everybody has his own opinion, but for me, I don't have to listen to what they say. Mine is just to focus in the field, and
kuringana nake athakaga nigetha akenie mashabiki maria mamwendete, family yake oro hamwe na guteithiriria timu yake ya bururi kwandikithia maumirira mega ngucanio ciothe iria nyitaga itemi.
Just for the team. I'm not working for myself, because I work for the team. I work for my family and my fans that support me.
Na hari muonere wake wigi uria arona timu ya bururi ya Harambee Stars igika rita riri ngucanio-ini cia Afcon, Masoud ari no wa kuga.
With the teamwork, brotherhood in the team, and the trust from the technical staff, it will help me maybe to achieve something. Maybe this is the best time that God has put me in to achieve something.
Na muthia ritana-ini riake kuri mashabiki maria mothe mendete timu ya bururi ya Harambee Stars akamera,
I just want them to be behind Harambee Star no matter what the situation, and that's the best thing. This is the time the national team Harambee Star need them a lot, because we need them to be behind us, to support us, and to cheer the team up.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Njorua cia Mathako, Geto Shohi wa Ithe Fethi.